Hey everyone, what's up? What's poppin'? My name is Lara. For those of you who have never been on my channel, welcome back if you have. For today's video, I have this special look for you. It's not really special, I just did it. Anyway, I'm doing this poppin' pink cut crease, and I'm gonna show you just how I did it. So I'm starting off with the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely Brow Pencil in the color 6. I just love it, it's so good. Next, I'm going in with the Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the color Maple, and I'm just using that to clean up my brows. Now, using the same concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and use this as my eyeshadow base because, it just makes the colors pop more when you put some concealer or eyeshadow base on your eyelid. Give the eyeshadow something to stick on to. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to start with the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, which I love. The colors are just so pigmented. I'm starting off with the color Jasper, and I'm just going to place that in my crease. Now this is sped up, but I really take my time when I blend all of my eyeshadows. So what you're seeing is really just a snippet, but I spend a lot of time blending, which can be kind of like, damn, hurry up. But honestly, that's how you get that really cute, like, boom pow look. With this Nude Rich palette by Huda Beauty, I'm going in with that brown deep burgundy color in the bottom right corner of the screen, and I am just using this brush to place the color basically right under Jasper, which I just used from this Natasha Denona palette, and we are gonna blend a little bit and then blend some more. And I'm using the same brush I used to blend out Jasper from the Natasha Denona palette. And I go back and forth between both colors. So I'll add a little Jasper, then I'll add a little bit of that deep burgundy color. I just go back and forth till I have that perfect blend and intensity that I want. Now I'm taking the Too Faced concealer and I'm using that to cut my crease and make my shape. This is also sped up, so I'm really taking my time. It's kind of like, think of it as like drawing, like you're just trying to draw a half circle on your eyelid, but the perfect shape and the perfect placement. So I feel like after some practice, you kind of figure out what shape works for you and what you like. So yeah, that's what you're seeing me do here. Also, I'm cutting my crease using this flat brush from MAC Cosmetics, and just using this specific synthetic brush makes it so much easier to create a defined shape. Okay, so you're now taking the pink color in the upper left corner of the Huda Beauty Nude Rich palette, and you're using that to give your eyelid some color. Sorry, I was just trying to think of how to say it, but you see what I'm doing. So with the same brush that I used to apply my eyelid color, I'm just kind of like dragging the pink color out. I'm not adding any more color, just kind of dragging it out and blending it in with my two crease colors. And now I'm taking another brush, another blending brush, and I'm going it back into the Natasha Denona palette, and I'm taking the color Clove, and I'm using that to apply color to my outer corner, and I'm just using a little bit at a time, and just kind of placing it in the V shape on my outer lid. Off camera, I already primed my face with the Too Faced 3-in-1 primer setting spray, and I'm going in with my favorite foundation right now, the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation, and I'm using the color Medium Deep 26. I thought it wasn't my color at first, but I made it work. And for my lashes, I'm using the Baddie B lashes in plastic. Baddie B lashes has the bombest lashes, go get you some. And I use some eyelash tweezers that I bought at a mall like years ago, probably like 5 years ago, 6 years ago, and they're just like so bomb. And I just kind of push my lashes up, and I also squeeze my lashes together, and you just, you know, doing the thing, fixing my lashes. You know how it goes when you place lashes, it's always a headache. Next, I'm going in with the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Concealer in the color M19, and I'm just applying that to my under eyes, my forehead. Yeah, I got a little on my shirt. I hate getting makeup on my shirt. It's so annoying because you know the deal. Anyway, under eyes, a little on my forehead, my upper lip, and my chin. Next, I will be setting my concealer with the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color Honey. Now I'm going into the Black Radiance True Complexion Cream Contour Palette in the medium to dark. And I'm using the darkest color in the palette to contour my nose. With the Pat McGrath concealer, the same concealer I used to you know, cover up those dark bags under my eyes. Well, I don't really have dark bags. Let me stop. Anyways, I'm using that to contour my nose, and as you can see how I applied it, and now I'm just taking a brush and lightly patting it into my skin. And in the rest of this clip, you'll be able to see how I blend out both the contour and my concealer. Next, I'm going to go ahead and contour with some powder, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Sun Power Mineralized Skin. Well, it's called the Mineralize Skin Finish. And the color is Sun Power. Sorry, good lord. Yeah, so contouring the cheekbones, forehead a little bit, and my jawline. Next, with the Sleek Makeup Blush by 3 palette, I'm taking the pinky color and I'm using that for my blush. And I just discovered this brand. I've never even heard of it, but I really like how pigmented the blush is, so check that out. And it's really cheap and affordable. Setting my makeup with the, what's it called? God, Too Faced 3-in-1 setting spray. Lord have mercy. I got this. For the lips, I am taking the Tarteist by Tarte Lip Painnt in the color Wannabe, and I'm using this little ratchet ass brush. As you can see, like, paint's chipping. Anyway, I'm using that to apply, and just like I'm using it as a liner basically. To top off my lips, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Dazzle Glass Lip Gloss in the color Go for Gold. They have bomb lip glosses, so go get that, okay? Okay. Taking that same color I used that in the Nude Rich palette, that dark burgundy deep brown color, and applying that to my under eye. And I'm using the Better Than Sex by Too Faced mascara for my bottom lashes. She thinks that she bad. She thinks that she yelled out. Okay. If you like what you see, make sure you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not. And in the comments, let me know if you like this, what else you would like to see, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.